Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Capricorn placement. So, yes, this is your love reading, money and love reading. Okay, for the month of October. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay, and kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo no sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so there. Okay, so let's start sa iyong kaperahan muna. Capricorn, anong meron pagdating sa inyong kaperahan ngayong October? Okay. Okay. Work from home. Work from home. Okay. And no. I don't know kung ano tong no. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano tong no. Ano yan? No to work from home. Okay. Ano tong no? So, I guess wag nyo hayaan yung sarili nyo na naka-work from home lang kayo. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng other resources, ng other income, gumawa kayo ng kahit ano. Yeah. Ano tong no? Job lost. Okay. So, nakakita ko rito na pwedeng walang mangyaring something like matatanggal sa work. Walang ganyan. Okay? And that's good. Yeah. Online selling for some of you. Okay. So, tingnan natin itong work from home na ito. This is specific. Yeah. And itong job loss na nakikita kong no or wala, pwedeng ganyan, walang mangyayari. Ano tong work from home? What's with the work from home? For Capricorn placements, some of you makakapag-earn through working na from home. Yeah. Oh, this is good. This is stability. Some of you, kahit nandyan lang kayo sa bahay na nagtatrabaho, there is stability. Okay? There is stability. Ang nakikita ko pa rito, the Seven of Wands in reverse, no? Kaya mong gawin anything. Okay? Like, hindi mahigpit pagdating sa oras. Mas nakikita ko, yung iba rito nakakatagal kapag work from home. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na sabihin nating makapag-provide. Okay? Makapag-provide in general. Pagdating ng October. Ngayong October, ay claim mo na yan. This is nice. Some of you nakakita ko ito ng regularization sa work. Okay? Or sabihin natin sa inyong improvement or progress. Okay? So, the Nine of Swords. Okay, what's with the Nine of Swords? The Five of Swords. Anong inyong masyadong pinagkakaisip-isipan? Ano ito? Okay. Okay. So, may nakita ko, Ten of Swords. Iba sa inyo, parang parang masyadong nag-iisip like, ano kaya mangyari sa work? Ano kaya ganito, ganyan, ganito? Okay? Na, yung iba rito, pwedeng mag-resign na kaya ako? Umalis na kaya ako? Some of you, no? Ito. Kung ikaw, hindi na maganda yung environment, okay, dyan sa workplace mo, so siguro kung hindi na rin ikaw nagkakaroon ng peace of mind dyan sa work mo, then, go. Okay, go. Alis na. Yeah. The Three of Pentacles is here. There's no cooperation na rin naman. Pero, itong advice, the Fool in reverse and the Devil, so this is you. Just be you. Okay? Be careful. Marami ka nang na-experience through a lot. Okay? So, syempre, maging practical ka ngayon, Capricorn. Kung sa tingin mo, ayaw mo nang mag-work, ayaw mo nang may boss. Sinong ayaw may boss? Taas ang kamay. Sinong ayaw nang may boss? And willing na mag-work from home? Ha? Or mag-business na lang ng kanila. Kung sa tingin ninyo kaya nyong gawin yon, kung sa tingin nyo kaya nyong mag-provide, or sabihin nating magbukas kahit small business lang, do it. Do it. Okay? Tama na yung over-planning. Over-planning is a failure. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? Why? Over-planning, nagkakos lang yan ng delay. Nagkakos lang yan ng sabihin nating a waste of time. Imbes na sa katuparan mo na yung mga gusto mong gawin, nag-overplan ka. Bakit? Gusto mong hindi mag-fail? Walang ganun, okay? Walang ganun. Every time lahat dumaan sa failure. Okay, isipin nyo na walang success overnight. Walang success sa una. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa iba sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo mag-online selling, do it. Kung sa tingin nyo kaya nyo yung ganun, if you're into selling, do it. Okay? So, next is love. Okay, so anong meron? Anong paparating sa inyo mga Capricorns when it comes to love? Okay? Okay, the 7 of Wands in reverse. The Magician. Okay, some of you are manifesting. Meron ditong gusto maging open ka to communicate. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse, a past person. Maybe trying to reconnect this October. Ano itong 7 of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Don't let your guard down, okay? What's with the Magician? Yeah, the 4 of Cups. Someone is like thinking of you a lot. Okay, what's with the Lovers in reverse? Ooh. Okay. Someone is feeling intimidated. Yeah. The 10 of Swords. I'm seeing pregnancy for some of you, no. Nakita ko dito na pwedeng magkaroon ng iba sa inyo, ha. Hindi lahat a one night stand. Okay? Aksidenteng may mabubuntis, may makakabuntis, may problema. Okay? Yes. Kasi hindi handa. Iba rito, hindi naman sila, pero may ganun. Ha? Be careful. Ngayong October. Be careful. Okay? Nasa huli ang pagsisisi ng iba ngayon. A big responsibility is coming. Yeah. See? 10 of Swords, 9 of Swords. Yeah. Ayaw natin to, Capricorn. And Judgment. This is something like sabihin nating panghabang buhay na. Kung kaya nyo ng something or responsibility na panghabang buhay, like pag-aanak, being a parent is a responsibility. Okay, tandaan yan. Lalo na sa mga bata pa dyan, like college, nanonood. Be responsible. Okay, be responsible. Nakakita ko dito ng parang may problem patungkol sa fertility. Okay? Ang may problem dito is someone na lalaki. So, okay naman si girl, okay naman si mother, no? Pero may, I don't know, may problem si guy. That's why hindi magkaroon ng pregnancy. Okay? And pwedeng ito yung mag-cause ng sabihin nating maraming hot and cold issue, yung mga ganyan issue in general ngayong October. Some of you magpupunta ng doctor. Okay? At itatanong, sasabihin yung concern regarding doon. Okay? Yeah. So, pregnancy is here, okay, for some of you. Kung hindi naman kayo, bakit nyo gagawin? Pero kahit na, no, wag nyo gagawin kung hindi nyo pa kaya. No, be responsible kung gusto nyo. Gumamit ng dapat gamitin. Okay? Ha? Bahala kayo. Mahirap na. 'Di ba? Baka responsibility pa kayo ng magulang nyo. I think ang mga kinakausap ko rito is someone younger. Be careful. Okay. So, may chance na kung sino man yon, i-ignore ka nung nakabuntis. And that's so hard. No? That's hard. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko, no? Some few may past person na parang totally na-intimidate or sabihin nating kitang-kita nila kung ano yung mga pagbabago sa'yo. Ngayon, they're like trying to manifest you, trying to communicate, manifesting a communication with you. Pero hindi nila kasi kaya na maging straightforward or mag-direct, no, ng message sa'yo. But yeah, their gates, their doors are open wide. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs for Capricorns. Okay, Capricorn placements. Okay, anong meron? Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. Oh, they want you. They're attracted. Taurus. They want to talk. Pero be careful. Meron pagmamanipulate yung iba sa kanila. Gemini. Okay. So, hahayaan na lang na parang walang mangyari sa sitwasyon ninyo. Hahayaan lang natapon. Or hindi may offer yung kailangang i-offer. Cancer. Detached and cold. Okay? Para silang guarded pagdating sa'yo. Leo. They want to talk, pero at the same time, they are avoiding you. They are avoiding you. So, maybe if they are avoiding you, they're stalking. Okay? Virgo. They feel attracted. They missed you. Libra. Ending because of the ego. Scorpio. They want a commitment with you. Okay? Pero andito yung parang mas inuuna niya yung sarili, mga responsibilities. Okay? Sa ngayon. Sagittarius. They're like moving away, distancing themselves, pero they're still watching you. They are. Capricorns. They feel aloof. Okay, like, kung ano-ano yung iniisip. Okay, some of them, they're like waiting. I think this is like a waiting game, no? Parang head games, mind games, like that. Okay? Andito yung parang pa-assign ka niya. Aquarius. No growth. Okay? It's a burden. Nakakaramdam sila ng burden. Okay? Pisces. They're obsessingly. Oo. Waiting. Okay? Sobrang waiting. Super duper waiting sa'yo. Itong si Pisces, hindi sila gagawa. They're, obsessed. Okay? Obsessed. They're trying to wait. Yeah, they want to commit. They want a commitment with you. Some of them gusto nila talaga makipag-ayos. Okay, pero hindi sila gagawa ng action. Yes. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Capricorn placement. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.